Full service design is my absolute favourite. We take care of every element of your project, which removes the stress and the anxiety for you so that you actually get to enjoy it. The way we manage full service design is with in-depth steps and processes, so that every stage of your project is carefully planned and thought out. Before any project commences, the first thing we like to do is we want to meet our clients in their homes. It's a chance for us to start to build our relationship and also to understand the scope of the project. We will ask so many questions and get your initial thoughts on what you're hoping to achieve from the project. This allows us to put together our scope and quote and to explain our step process to producing exquisite homes. Once we commence and we are signed on, then we do the drill down chat. So I was previously an actor and a facilitator. So communication and connecting with people is really at the core of everything I do. And I passionately believe that the homes that we create should reflect the people who live there. And they should be tailored to exactly how we want to live our lives. So this connection with my clients is really at the core of absolutely everything. We also use this visit to photograph and measure everything. And I mean absolutely everything. So now we have so many notes and photographs and measurements that we can start working on the initial design. And this next step is key to this, the sharing element of the design. So we want our clients to bombard us with as many images that they can find that reflect them and what they want to achieve from the project. We then start to compile these images and we start to work on the key elements of the design, which of course we share all the way so that we can adjust to your wishes. Initial floor plans and elevations are also worked on at this stage. And this is also the point where we start to compile all the contractors that we're going to need on the project. We put together careful quote requests detailing their requirements, which we then walk them through on site. And this is also a chance for us to share with you our layout and concept ideas. Contractors' quotes are then all compiled and produced for our clients in a detailed budget before any sign of work starting. Why? Because we think it's important that clients know exactly what they're facing in terms of budget. And we also insist on contingency funds for the unexpected. Whilst we are collating our contractors' quotes, we are also gathering as many materials and samples and fabrics and images for each space that we are designing so that our clients can fully visualize the finished space. We also put together an FF&E budget at this point so that clients have all the details and costings before work commences. Our presentation brings everything together. So budgets, trade impact, work schedule, layouts, FF&E, mood and concept boards, absolutely everything. And once all the decisions have been made and everybody is happy, then we can begin. Now, it may seem like an awful lot of work and the project hasn't even started yet. So now the project begins and project management commences. That means regular site visits, regular communication with each contractor, and detailed design notes for each trade to follow. So procurement also begins, and all bespoke elements are finalized and ordered. We are highly skilled at the hundreds of elements that go into a build. So anything from managing kitchens, to worktops, to flooring, to tiling, to paint choices, even down to door handles and hinges, we manage and source it all. Messy bit done. Now it's the fun part, which is furniture installation and styling. So like I said before, I love full service design because I know that when our clients walk through the door on that last day, that home is going to be everything that they'd hoped for and more. I love, love, love making this happen for clients. And if you would like us to make this happen for you too, then please visit our website and get in touch.